Welcome back to my channel, Amazing Artist. I have some art inspiration coming your way and I hope it gets you in the mood to get your paints out and play. I'm just setting up a page in my junk journal, and if you haven't seen my junk journals, I tend to use old out-of-date flyers that would otherwise end up in the recycle bin, and I recycle them into surfaces to art upon. This is what I usually call a starter page, and it's a page I do in my junk journal, most likely with leftover paint from another project, but today I actually started with some fresh paint and also a little bit of blue paint that was left over from the previous page on my palette knife. So that's where that blue's coming from, if you were wondering. These types of pages usually sit in my junk journal until I feel inspired to use them, and I will sort of flick through my junk journal, and if something pops out then I might work on it a little bit more. But this particular page was started way back in 2017. So this page has been waiting to catch my eye for a few years now. I don't really know why it did catch my eye today, but well, here we are. So let's fast forward to 2020 and the next layer for this page. And I'm actually going to go with some shapes using an Inktense pencil. If you've used Inktense pencils before, then you will know that it is when you add the water that the real magic happens and you get that intense, Inktense colour. Okay, so the background seems to be coming along, but I'm thinking that I might put a focal image on this piece and maybe just a bit of collage. And it just so happens that I have the November Digi Delightfuls art pack on my desk. So this is an art pack that I've designed for my lovely patrons. Hello patrons, big wave! So it's actually available over on my Patreon art membership, and I've now got quite a collection of downloadables over there, and it's my mission to use them too. So I already do a project inspiration video with them, but I wanted to do some more because they're quite handy to have. And I've got a few of these packs on my desk so that whenever I need a piece of art ephemera to collage with, well, there they are, they're close to hand. And I have a few different pieces in this month's pack. that I could use on this. And thinking about it, looking at the footage, I'm wondering if the idea of using something from this month's art pack was actually to do with the colour. The cools of the greens in the background would work really well with the warms from this month's art pack. So I think seeing those two side by side is what led me to using them. But I couldn't actually decide which to go with, because I was thinking I would quite like to use the expressive painty rose, but also the stylized long stem flower caught my eye for this. I thought those colours would work really well. So I cut both of them out and tried them to see which I'd prefer on this page. But I think that the style and the shape of the expressive painty one is the one that wins for me. Although this piece still needs a bit more on it, I think. Before I stick it down, I need some more interest in my background, some more texture. I went ahead and put in some more collage, just some old book pages, also a little bit of doodling with just an ordinary pencil. So this is just a graphite pencil. There, that's got it. A little bit of gel medium on the back of my rose to stick it in place. And I really like how the grey from the printed image on this page, because it was in my junk journal, I like how that works with the other colours here. This is all very muted until you get to the pop of that expressive painty rose. Hope you enjoyed today's art share and you're ready to go and do some art yourself. If you want some more art inspiration, then watch these videos next and I will see you over there. But thank you so much for watching. Your support, your watching, your likes, your comments are all amazing and I love them. So thank you so much and enjoy your creativity today. I will catch you later.